We are taping here at Evolution Body Transformation. Welcome back into Live It Up. We love coming here, and we've been talking about so many great things with Dr. Stacy, and now we're going to continue on that little journey because there's so many wonderful things. Let's dive a little bit deeper into that, can we?
Sure. So I need to go to I need to get a sponsor for expensive medical equipment and stop buying all of these devices. But we have one of the largest collections of body contouring devices in the state of Wisconsin. We have kind of all the big name brands and have worked with them for a very long time. So kind of the magic of coming here is if you only have a hammer, right, everything looks like a nail. So if you only have one of these devices, you're going to try and use this device for every single problem. But a lot of times somebody comes in and they might have a little pocket of volume in their abdomen, and they might have a little skin laxity, and maybe they have a little cellulite, and maybe they have a couple sunspots. So we can completely customize a treatment plan to address all of the things that you're looking to accomplish. And that's just really nice and fulfilling for people. And we're just really here to help you. So we've worked with these devices long enough that I want you to have a great outcome. I want you to be a billboard in the world, right?
Yeah.
So if you're walking down the street, somebody says, gosh, you look amazing, right? I want you to feel confident. I don't want to sell you something that isn't going to work for you, I guess is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
So.
Can I give you a quick shout out? Someone just mentioned my skin the other day. I was out with a group of friends and I said that I had the EMFACE done along with which was the facial that I had done, the hydrofacial. Yes, both of those. And they were like, your skin's glowing. And I said, thanks to Dr. Stacy.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Yeah, I love those two.
Yeah.
Those are amazing.
The EMFACE is a lot to talk about, but it is an amazing device.
Yeah.
So what it does is it actually builds back up muscle mass in your face. So as we age, we lose muscle, bone, and fat, and everything sort of falls with gravity, right?
Okay.
The EMFACE actually exercises the muscles. We can do the forehead, we can do around the eyes, we can do the cheeks, we can do the submentum. And it's kind of like putting the rebar back in your cement. It just lifts everything back up in place. So I just think it's such an amazing anti-aging procedure for everybody, just to prevent, keep longevity in your face and really push off, some of those bigger procedures so we don't see people needing facelifts when they're 55 kind of thing. And then it also reduces our reliance on injectables. And there's nothing wrong with injectables like Botox, fillers, those kinds of things. But those are just really temporary things. Like you put Botox in, it lasts about 3 months, it wears off, and your skin and your muscles are still aging underneath. So the EMFACE is just a really wonderful tool just to build everything back up and keep it where it needs to be and keep everything nice and tight and strong.
Yeah, keep me where I need to be.
You probably already know this then, but for those that don't, like if they're just starting with you, do you start with a consultation?
Absolutely.
You don't have to know.
Oh my gosh, there's too many things to know. Just come in, sit down, let's talk, have a cup of tea, and tell me what you're focused on. And a lot of times, like we were saying before, sometimes people have a little bit of body contouring issues, a little bit of skin laxity. We don't have to do everything at once either. Not everybody has unlimited time and budget to come in and hang out with me all day.
Yeah, we'd love to.
So we can prioritize things for you too and say, okay, if you could look in the mirror and in 30 to 60 days see a significant change in something, what would you be most excited about? And we'll start there and just work our way through that plan.
I love that plan.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. So hormone optimization.
Oh my gosh, this is such a big thing.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Oh, dive into it,
We
girl.
just recently got into this in kind of last quarter of last year. I've been trying to get it here for a long time and just finally found the perfect team of providers to work with. These ladies are amazing. They know their stuff. They've been doing it for a really long time. And this is life-changing for people. People just think that because as we get older, people get tired and they lose their hair and their skin and all that thing, and they think it's normal aging, and it is not. It's because we're not being optimized the way we were when we were young. And we have so many tools that we can employ to really reverse that timeline and just really help with reducing inflammation, getting you to feel better, getting you more energy, all those things. So we would just start with a simple test to find out where you're at and make a plan from there, easy breezy.
Wow. So is this like supplements then that if
Can
you
be.
need it, that how
Can
does
be.
this
We
work?
can employ prescriptions. We have our nurse practitioner who can prescribe things. We can get supplements. We can get hormone replacement. All kinds of different options at our fingertips.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, we're already out of time. So people to get in touch with you, come in for a consult, give you a phone call,
Absolutely.
check out your website.
Book online, whatever you want to do.
Your website is on par. Like
Thank
that
you.
is like amazing.
Thank
you guys
you.
are on top of that, that's
Thanks.
for sure. And there's so much great information on
And you
there.
don't have to know it all. Just come in
Right.
and talk, and we'll put together a plan for you.
Yeah, like me.
Great.
Yeah.
Aw,
Just
good to see you.
come in and get saved.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for
We
coming,
appreciate
ladies.
you.
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching. Until next week here on Live It Up.